everybody, it's Mcclendon coming at you guys with a video about some economic stuff happening, the dollar, gold, some market stuff, and also what's going to be happening up for this week and your stimulus stuff. So let's hit it, guys. So the federal balance sheet has been exploding, especially before the COVID stuff, but it's going to get worse. So whoever's president, Biden, Trump, doesn't really matter to me. It's going to be astronomical when it comes to those numbers. We're going to be more financially in debt, but on the other side of this, you guys can capitalize off this because the markets are going to be going up higher. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later in the video. So we're looking at the Fed balance sheet versus gold. Gold has not caught up to it yet. I believe it's being suppressed by the big banks and other markets that it can't be so manipulated by the banks. Kind of like cryptocurrency, how it's exploding. I think we're going to see the exact same move in gold and silver price in all currencies, but it's going to have some time to take effect. All right. Next thing's going to be, so to me, when it comes to presidents, it really doesn't matter so much who they are. They typically do the same thing: decrease our freedoms pretty easily, and the main thing they do, blow up the budget. You know, our national debt under many presidents have all gone up ever since we left off the gold standard, or when the Federal Reserve was enacted in 1913. All we have done is print, and destroy our purchasing power, destroy our freedoms and rights. It's a continuing process. But let's continue on. So here's the dollar since 1913. The dollar has been decreasing your purchasing power. So you guys see these vertical lines. These are called recessions. So recession happens every 7 to 9 years. It's about, and it just gets worse and worse. We're over here. Let's zoom in a little bit. This is not going to get better for us. The dollar is going to get worse and worse and worse. So I tell you, get into precious metals, cryptocurrencies, and also do some international investments. That's what I'm doing. But comment below what you guys are doing. So guys, we'll check out some Forex stuff for the week. We do have a holiday for New Zealand, but that's one country. Everyone else is pretty much open. We do get one for Italy had a bank holiday on, Wednesday? No, I'm sorry, Tuesday. But when it comes to Friday, we got First Friday coming up. So if you guys are trading, watch out for First Friday. Watch out for the setups, and be prepared for that. Because when it comes to the markets, I believe that there's two I really want to go into. One is going to be the dollar. Dollar's going to be breaking this low, and if it does, it's going to be very painful for people in the United States or people who use dollars. I still use dollars a lot. It's going to be painful for myself, so that's why I'm doing a lot of stuff overseas. Just tell me what you guys are doing below. Also, let's check out the next chart. But I think a really big mover is going to be oil. Just because of all that printing, all that stimulus is going to be happening, it will happen. It's going to be because the markets need it. And if the markets need it, the banks need it, they're going to get it. And that's going to explode oil. So I think oil is the main driver for all the markets. If oil goes up, S&P 500, NASDAQ, all those things will go up. So they got to pump oil to pump everything else up. So these Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ all need to go up higher, to make higher highs, extremely higher highs. And just understand that if inflation, when you're looking at it, so if the stocks are going up, right, going up, and then let's say it goes up double, but the cost of an apple goes up triple or 4 times that. If you price everything in that apple, for an example, you actually lost purchasing power. So understand that the markets may be going up, but you got to see what is relative to. If you price everything in dollars or whatever currency, it doesn't mean you're winning. You can be still losing, even if the asset class is going up. But just be aware of that. Next thing we got, guys, go to my website, create a free account, and click on gold and silver, okay? I put all the links on here, so if you guys want to know the links, just click on here, get the links. You'll be able to learn some more about precious metals and also get to see stuff like this. So here's the U.S. National Debt Clock. It's pretty freaking crazy how fast this thing is ticking. Like, look at the national debt, top 3, U.S., China, and Japan. But when we're looking at this, guys, we got the national debt racking in, and look at this. It's absolutely crazy when it comes to these numbers. You had 83,000 per citizen, 220,000 per taxpayer, and it just keeps rolling. Look at the revenue, So 3.44 trillion, right? And then you got per citizen. I mean, this stuff is not sustainable. So this, you kind of actually getting me a little bit irritated. But guys, that's the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment. Tell me what you guys think about it. What do you guys think about U.S. Assets? What's happening to the dollar, cryptocurrency? And that's the video, guys. I'll see you later.